What up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. From rock bands to a band, musicians won't settle when it comes to creating actual music. Either it's the ideal sound quality, fantastic tuning, incredible durability, or nothing at all. Don't let the perfectionist in you back down. The same is true if you're a guitarist. Whether you're a beginner or have been in the industry for a long time, we understand precisely how vital it is for you to choose the best guitar that not only fills all your needs, but can also be the perfect match for your wallet. Check out the description below for more information and all the latest pricing. The Fender Acoustasonic Telecaster is a guitar player's versatility dream. Wholly acoustic and yet completely electric, this guitar holds the conventional Telecaster design with up to 10 separate guitar tones. The top is made from Lutz spruce with a mahogany backing and neck. There is a rosewood on the fingerboard and bridge. It houses a rechargeable battery that can perform for up to 20 hours. This hybrid guitar enables players to switch from various acoustic guitar tones straight to the electric world. The sound hole is completely acoustic, giving players the authentic acoustic sound that they require. It can also transition to a completely electric sound with the twang and shrill that you'll want to play gut-busting solos. It is not the cheapest guitar you'll see, but it's well worth the price tag. Hybrid guitars are a comparatively new innovation. Having the capability to switch so easily between acoustic and electric effortlessly is super convenient. It protects you from purchasing two guitars when you have such an incredible tone coming through both of them. Are you looking for a high-performance acoustic electric guitar? The Martin Road Series SC-13E produces the goods, excluding the limitations of the traditional cutaway acoustic. This game-changing A/E exhibits a beautiful modern acoustic sound, direct, punchy, and powerful, with incredible volume and projection. Yet its offset S-shaped body, low-profile neck, heel-less design, and low-action fingerboard guarantee comfort and playability that exceed just about every other similar instrument out there. The SC-13E is amazingly versatile. It sounds exceptional in the studio, in the living room, and recognition to onboard Fishman MX-T electronics, it's a world-class performer on stage. You'll like the look of the SC-13 as well. Its fine koa veneer back and sides, tortoise pattern pickguard, celestial blue dot fingerboard inlay, and aperture design rosette are assured to turn heads. Playability, comfort, versatility, the Road Series SC-13E has all of that and much more. It's the next stage of acoustic guitar evolution. Martin saves the last of the fireworks for the playability with action so low that it may catch those used to wrestling chords out of their acoustic unawares. This is a bold guitar playable with a striking voice that sits so well in a mix. The Taylor 110E acoustic electric guitar is an exceptional choice for an inception guitarist or for a seasoned player's new guitar. Get your hands on the 110E and you'll be swept away by its rich tone and exceptional projection right from the very first strum. You'll find the 110E's maple neck remarkably comfortable and playable, while its Sitka spruce walnut tonewood combination gives you the ideal balance of warmth and sparkle. On top of that, the onboard ES2 electronics guarantee that you'll sound your best, plugged or unplugged. The powerful voice and unique projection of the conventional dreadnought body style have made it the option of strummers and flat pickers throughout history. The naturally deep lows, crisp highs, and open airy mid-range of Taylor's dreadnought body aid to balance the 110E's tone across the full sonic spectrum. This gives you a sound that grants itself to traditional bluegrass and folk as well as it does to contemporary acoustic rock. If you're looking for a guitar that can manage aggressive picking and driving rhythms, you're going to enjoy the Taylor 110E Acoustic Electric. Continuing to their small and affordable, yet highly playable Little Martin Travel Series, the LX1E highlights the same great-sounding hand-rubbed solid Sitka spruce top that you would find on the top-of-the-line Martins, mahogany pattern HPL textured finish back and sides, and rich light fingerboard. The LX1E also emphasizes the addition of a Fishman sonotone pickup. It's marketed as a travel acoustic guitar which can be thrown in the gig bag to bring you anywhere. Spend a bit of time with one, nevertheless, and you'll see it has more to offer than as a mere travel partner. Notwithstanding the price and small size, it is a Martin. It still has enough quality to give you an exceptional tone. The onboard Fishman sonotone electronics make it perfect for hooking up to an amp, while the firm, high-pressure laminate mahogany means it can withstand years of use. This guitar can be seen in most places for less than $200. This price section is awash with acoustic guitars from all sorts of brands, but when we think about the best in this area, we're drawn to the Yamaha FG800. Put simply, the sound this guitar produces makes it worth the price alone. Back in the cozy dreadnought body style and solid spruce top that players loved in the FG700, but the new scalloped bracing provides this acoustic an even bigger low end and more reliable projection for live and recording applications. The body back and sides, made from NATO wood and Acoustic, give the FG800 its warm tone and expert looks, while the satin finished slim neck with rounded fret edges gives it comfortable playability. It highlights a new scalloped bracing pattern, an exemplary acoustic structure that keeps the durability of the top board while bringing out more of the true sound of an instrument. You get more guitar for your hard-earned money with the Epiphone DR-100 acoustic guitar than you'd assume. You'll get a select spruce top, mahogany back and sides. The DR-100's tone will enhance with age as the wood ages, and the playability is astonishing, recognition of Epiphone's slim taper neck shape, a not too thick, not too thin profile that's perfect for a wide variety of playing styles. So while the Epiphone DR-100 acoustic guitar is valued like a beginner's guitar, it's got tone and feels that you'll never want to give up. When you're in search of a beginner's choice, you're looking for something that will help you to keep picking it up. At this stage of your playing career, you don't want to spend a lot of money. Created by one of the world's biggest brands, the DR-100 is an entry-level acoustic with the quality of something far more prestigious. Here you can anticipate solid tones, reliability, and a guitar that will encourage you to keep playing it. Forget the low cost, this is a well-made guitar that will set you up perfectly for the musical journey ahead. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.